Anyhow, this is a new development product that I came up with, which copies the BRZ when it first came out. Essentially, it's a little lip for the trunk, but in carbon fiber. The reason why I wanted to do this is because I went to Home Depot one day to pick up some CMU blocks, and the bro was like, "Hey, you need some help, man?" And so I was like, "Nah, I don't need any help." No, I insist. Like, no, bro, I'm good. So he still came up and helped me with the bricks. I'm like, just go away. Anyhow, he physically picked up a CMU block. Hey man, nice car, what is this?
Do you see that? Do you see that?
Dropped it on my paint. I was like, the freak? Why would you put paint? And then after that, I just told him to go away.
Hi YouTube.
Hey guys. Down in the basement, kids watching Blaze the Monster Machine soap. A little project I got going on. Some jerk helped and he scratched my thing. Oh, it's a rear bumper, but you know the thing with the trunk goes on here, and this is the thing. So I'm going to make a carbon fiber overlay that sits on top of this. And using this as a mold, I can pull it out and then pop it on my thing. And essentially, this was from a really crappy bumper my friend gave to me. So I cut out the pieces and then I sanded the edges a little bit and cleaned it up. It's pretty good, pretty solid. So I have this cut edge pretty straight. So the carbon fiber will sit right here, go up here and here. And then I also tape the back side of it. But you notice I have the edge here where there's no tape. So this is where the cut point. After the resin dries, it will leave this big mark right here. So I'll just follow that and cut it with a pair of scissors. Wax. This is actually a mold release wax. Just wax it up. Terrible. But whatever. Make sure the corners are hit really well. With the red carbon fiber, as you notice my cut, I put a piece of tape over it and I cut right through the middle so you don't have any loose ends, so you don't have this crap going on right here, which sucks. So just cut it right in the middle. Make it oversized. Always oversized. The more the better. I have it cut out. I'm going to tape it on using the top side. Well, it's looking real good. I taped off the corners and stuff. Most difficult part is actually the high end because it's not enough weight to push down on it. Push down. So I actually taped the back side of this because I'm actually gonna put resin there. If you remember from the original tape out. So now it's already shiny. What the hell? Ugh. It's gonna be real good. Now it's time to mix up the resin. This one I have a 2-to-1 ratio. So 2 ounce to 1. Mix it up. Brush it on. Very first layer, you have to do it really lightly. Like don't even try and get it on. Basically just wet it. And then the second layer, that's when you get working. Story time. I sprayed mosquito with mosquito repellent. Now he will never have friends. You can see it looks like complete shit after sanding, but now it's smooth, and you notice like these big white marks. It's where the air bubbles were. But see, and then it's starting to look good. So now I'm gonna just trim everything off, cut it off to the size. Right, little baby? Yeah. Yeah. Now it's popped off the mold. Now I just take a scissors and cut off all the edges. Since I did 2 layers, I literally used the scissors. Guys, check it out. I sanded the edge, this edge, with a very heavy grit. I had it on a flat thing and kind of held it sideways like this, and then just went to try and get that edge, because that's the only edge that would be seen. This edge I'm not really worried too much because it'll be covered with the trunk. And this is only the first prototype. Look at that shine. But pretty much the shine will be the clear coat. You have to clean it really well now. Next I'm gonna clear coat it just like this. I have it elevated slightly so I can get the little edges nice. So, be right back. How does it look? Honest opinion. It's pretty funny. It's spray paint at the middle of the night in the dark. And it's pretty banging results. Yeah, it's gonna be shining like that when I wake up.
You see this? Do you see that? Do you see that?
Yeah, I mean, why would you rest a CMU on someone's paint job? So sad, man.
It took me about a day to make it, but I was wondering seriously, how much would you pay for this product? Let me know. Just want to say thank you for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow's episode. So if you haven't, subscribe and like, and we're going to go to the next one. Thank you.